Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Play Store authentication required error on your phone quickly and easily. If you're seeing this message while downloading apps, don't worry, it's a common issue. First, go to your phone's settings, open Accounts, select your Google account, and remove it from your device. After that, restart your phone to refresh everything. Once your phone turns back on, go back to Settings and add your Google account again with the correct details. Now open Play Store and check if the problem is fixed. If you still see the error, go to Settings, open Apps, find Google Play Store, tap on Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. Also, repeat the same steps for Google Play Services to refresh background sync. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable and try downloading the app again, and the authentication error should be resolved successfully now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.